In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily create Apple ID on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up any web browser. I'm gonna use Safari, and then go to appleid.apple.com. If you are already logged in on this site, you need to log out first and then tap at that arrow and select Create your Apple ID. After that, we need to enter our first name and last name. Once we've done that, we need to scroll down a bit and select our country or region in that way. After that, we need to choose our birthday. Just enter day, month and year. Then scroll down a bit and enter your email. If you already have your old Apple ID associated with some email, you can't use that email, so you need to use an email that is not associated with any Apple ID account. Just enter email here, and then we need to come up with the password for that Apple ID. I'm just gonna tap at that text field, and down below it says that your password must have at least 8 characters in upper and lower case and at least one number. Once you have entered the password, scroll down a bit and then confirm it. And after that, we need to confirm our phone number. So first off, tap right here and choose your country, and then just enter phone number in that field. After that, scroll down a bit, enter symbols from that picture in that text field. Scroll down and tap at continue. After that, we need to enter a verification code that has been sent to our email. So I'm just gonna open up my Gmail, and then I'm gonna enter the code in that field and tap at next. After we have entered the code from the email, we need to enter the code that was sent to our phone number. In the same way, we need to tap right here and then enter the code and then tap at next. After that, your new Apple ID will be created, and then we can hop out browser and go to settings. On settings, tap at your name at the very top to get into Apple ID. And then we can scroll down and sign out of our old Apple ID, and then we'll be able to log into new one using your email and password. That's how you can easily create Apple ID on your iPhone.